Hello everyone, this is my review of the Love Bond cologne from Top Shelf. It comes in a pretty neat box there with gold writing on it. Let's go ahead and take it out the box now. See, the bottle here is pretty nice, compact, easy to carry and put in a bag. The cologne smells real nice. It has a good fragrance to it. It's very strong and distinct, and it's long lasting. I will put this on at night, and I could still smell it on me in the morning. And it works well, and I highly recommend this product if you're looking for a cologne to up your game with. This is it. This would work.